Hey guys, so I'm making this video for you. If you have the issue with your Ninja coffee maker, I found this video and found this comment and maybe it's going to be beneficial. So this guy wrote here and made a video like Ninja coffee maker quick fix for 5 beefs of death, and he's sharing there like what you need to do, and it's super cool. It can help you, so definitely watch it. But someone wrote here in a comment, please add to your instruction that if after trying all these the 5 beeps don't stop, press both classic and reach buttons at the same time. This is going to reset the unit. Do run one brew without water in reserve in case there is an error in the tubes. It worked for me and my unit was back to regular. And some people wrote here that it actually helped for them. So what you want to do, you just want to press the both classic and the reach buttons at the same time, and it should reset the unit. So hope this video helped you and actually helped you to fix the issue, and have a great day and goodbye.